it's Rebecca here, and today I'm going to be giving you my top 3 tips to get people to engage and interact with you on Instagram. I've also created a free cheat sheet with all of this information on it, so be sure to watch to the end of the video to get your hands on one. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that button down below. Every Monday and Friday, I'm just sending you business love and brilliant tips to help you grow the lash business of your dreams. But back to it. Now, we all know Instagram's algorithms have changed. It doesn't matter how many likes your picture gets. For your post to be shown up in people's feeds, you need to have engagement. But today, I'm going to teach you how to get engagement without coming across as spammy or weird or doing anything that's going to hurt your Instagram account. So let's get to it. Tip number 1, ask a question in your caption. In your captions, are you making a statement, stating a fact, or are you asking a question and inviting your followers to get in a conversation with you? By asking them a question, you're giving them a call to action. You're giving them permission to speak. Now, keep in mind, Instagram shortens what you write, so you need to keep it to the point. Your question needs to be the first thing that they see. I mean, you could do a, would you like to wake up in your makeup? Tap hell yeah if you agree. You could do a opinions needed, advice needed. So guys, opinions needed. Would you rather I did an LVL promotion or a classic set promotion for this Mother's Day? Or post a funny meme and ask a question to go along with that, like, there's ones about drinking too much. What's the worst hangover you've ever had? What's the funniest thing you've ever done when drunk? Tip number 2, start meaningful conversations with your ideal client. So you need to think about where your ideal client is going to be when they're on Instagram. If your ideal clients are mums in the local area, go to local businesses in your area that those mums might use. Look at their followers and start to follow them. Now, if they've accepted your follow, whenever they post a picture, it's going to show up in your feed. Leave a really nice comment, but something genuine. And it needs to be more than 4 words because Instagram weighs comments differently and leave out the emotions. Or I should say emojis. So if it's a really nice selfie, you could be like, wow, you look gorgeous, hun. That outfit is fire. They, in turn, might be curious to check out your page and give you some love right back. The ratio to reply is normally 10 to 1. So for every 10 comments you leave, you'll get 1 back. So you need to get into the habit of doing this, and trust me, it brings good karma along to your business. And this is something you can do in your spare time. So while you're waiting for your favorite TV show to come on, while you're stood in the queue in the supermarket, get writing those lovely comments to your ideal clients. Tip number 3, follow your clients and build a community. Now, put on your consent forms. What's your Instagram handle and can I follow you? You want to think of building your account as if you're building a community, rather than just posting before and after lash pics. You want to think about building a community, so they want to follow and engage and talk with you. And the more you keep up and support them, the more they're likely to support you. And these are customers in your area who already use your services. Remember, Instagram wants people to stay on Instagram. So if your business page is an exciting and entertaining and informational place to be, people are going to spend more time on it. And if you have quality content that makes people engage more with Instagram, Instagram's algorithms is going to show your content a lot more to people who don't follow you, which gets your content out there more organically, and that's free, honey. Now, to get your hands on my free checklist, simply scroll to the bottom of the description and click on the link. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use hashtags effectively in your Instagram posts so you can get more clients. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you don't miss a thing. But as always, it was beautiful talking to you guys. Happy Instagramming.